Hello to everybody.
Oh, sorry. There. Now say hello to everybody.
Hello to everybody.
Okay, so play us a song, Nathan.
I'm trying, but I can't get it to... Here we go.
Here's Nathan.
You sure? Want to go for some Battlestar Galactica? Or no?
Say hello.
Hello. Oh.
He's playing with my keyboard.
Where's my phone?
I haven't heard anything, though, come out of it yet.
Because it's really slow. What the heck?
What's slow?
Keyboard's going crazy.
My phone
Oh, great. Don't be messing with my keyboard.
That's all.
Well, you
Oh,
were
wait.
playing something really cool.
Okay, so you're going to have to guess what this is. Here we go.
Alright, okay.
Ready?
Okay.
What's that from?
You remembered my phone number
Jaws.
by heart,
Nope.
Daddy?
I don't know.
It's from a Star Trek movie. I think it's just one, though.
Oh, just play it again. I know what it is. First contact. Okay, so show us, Nathan, how to create a ringtone without having to buy it from Verizon.
Well, you want to use a program like GarageBand or Adobe Audition, something like that.
All right.
And my volume level, oh, there it is. Okay, that's good.
Okay. Yeah.
And all you do is just export it as usually about 30 seconds of an MP3, about 96 bit rate.
Okay. So like for instance, if we had Angry Birds theme song happens to be on there, and we played it like this. Okay, so then if we took that and then emailed it with our texting capabilities on our phone to ourselves, like this. Where's my...
You have to send it as a multimedia message or picture
Hey, where'd
message.
my phone go? Oh, duh. Here it is. Okay, so we send it as a multimedia picture, right?
Mhm.
Or sound. All right, call my phone. Let's see how it works. Everybody, watch my phone. Here we go. Can you hear that? So now we have our own ringtone that we created right there. That's cool. Thanks for teaching me that, because now I'm going to make all sorts of really strange ones.
But make sure it's under 300 kilobytes or 300 kilobytes altogether.
Because it won't handle any more than that, right?
Yeah, you can't send it to anyone else after that.
There you go, making ringtones right here on my video blog. Play us another song while we go out.